Welcome friends, we are before Krishnachandra Rajbari. This Raj Estate was established by Maharaja Krishna Chandra Roy, after whose name the town was named Krishnanagar. We would like to introduce you with the Raj Estate, and at intervals I would say the history of this Raj Estate and Maharaja Krishna Chandra Roy. It was the main gate of Krishnachandra Roy Rajbari. Now some part of this Raj complex is used as a primary school. This school was very old, and earlier this school was patronized by the Raj family of Krishnachandra Roy. This place was for horses and the elephants. There is a staircase. Maharaja Krishna Chandra was born in 1710 and 1728 he became the zamindar or Maharaja of Krishnanagar, and politically he was very far-sighted. He knew that Muslim power was declining, and he befriended with Lord Clive and took a leading role in wiping out Siraj-ud-Dawla. Mir Qasim captured him and pronounces sentence to death, but Britishers somehow rescued him. The old ramshackle Raj complex recalls us the ancient past of this Raj Estate. Here we have the gate. All are in dilapidated condition, ruinous stage. It recalls the great history of Bengal. Maharaja Krishna Chandra patronized Sanskrit, and in Navadvip he established several Sanskrit schools, and Navadvip became the epicenter of Sanskrit literature, and it was patronized by Maharaja Krishna Chandra. Not only that, Maharaja Krishna Chandra patronized literature, Bengali literature. His court poet Raghunatha Bharatchandra, on his request, wrote the famous book Annoda Mongol. Maharaja Krishna Chandra also patronized Bengali Sangeet or song. Ramprasad Sen, under his patronage, created Shyama Sangeet. Some repairments and coloring of the main gate of Krishnachandra Rajbari is going on. It is now well maintained. This is the entrance gate of Krishnachandra Rajbari. Here soldiers used to stay to watch who are entering, who are going out. The grand gate reflects the prowess of Bengal. Before we have the glimpse of Goddess Kali, it shows Maharaja Krishna Chandra belongs to Shakta sect of Hinduism. With this Rajbari, Gopal Bhar, Pandit Baneshwar, Vidyalankar, Krishnananda, Bachaspati, Jagannath, Tarko Panchanan, Horiram, Tarko Siddhanta are closely associated. They were the luminary stars of Bengal associated with this Rajbari. Maharaja Krishna Chandra introduced Jagardhatrii Puja, and this puja complex remained open for public only during Durga Puja. The complex is full of terracotta wonders, is really grand and majestic in its full view.